piece, Conca nipple, Cooper flag. They're going to be dual rookies.
Yeah, okay.
They're both the best.
What do we got here?
Oh, thank you, Department of
you.
Science.
I know what that is. This is a dry bag. It's often used when you're doing like sport fishing and stuff. Could be used in RVing. It's waterproof on the outside, moisture wicking fabric on the inside. Keeps your stuff dry.
No,
How do you know?
no, I think this is upgraded Brinkley RV wallet.
For who? The
So
Jolly Green
when your
Giant?
wallet gets full, you can upgrade to the Brinkley wallet.
How big
A
are
lot
your pant
bigger,
pockets?
A lot more room.
I think you're both wrong. This is Davis's makeup bag for show days, and you actually missed a spot. So
Hold on. There's no way that's Davis's makeup bag.
no, he keeps it all in here.
You have
There's
to
not
have a
enough
bigger
room.
bag. to make
Okay,
this man
what
look like
this actually is, this is your Brinkley welcome bag that holds paperwork and manuals for the various components in the unit. It helps keep important items like appliance manuals, warranty information, and reference documents organized and easy to find in one central place. In addition to paperwork, the bag may also include a few extra items that can be useful for you, such as small accessories related to the RV systems and your TV controllers. The bag is lightweight, flexible, and compact in size, making it convenient to keep up with your RV for easy access whenever information is needed.
Thanks for explaining that, Davis. Go ahead and leave your wrong guesses in the comments below, and thanks for joining. Have you guys seen Davis? I haven't seen him since you explained what that bag was.
No, I haven't seen him.
Davis?
Oh, there he is.